We're funny motherfuckers here. We like to say what's up, guy. It's our way to say hi. In February, it is good to know a plow guy. It is shaped like a key, also where I like to ski. Tell by my belt buckle that I'm most definitely from.
So what's up, my diggers? Lately, there's been a lot of talk and a lot of hype about the new Garrett AT Pinpointer, the all-terrain, waterproof, quote-unquote Garrett Carrot. The looks like a regular Pro Pointer, but it's orange. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of people out there getting them. There's also a big backlog of orders for the supply of that product, and a lot of people are having a hard time getting their hands on them. I wanted to show you something that I've had for about a year or so now. I've already done a test and review on my channel like probably a year or so ago, but I wanted to bring it back into light because I've got a lot of new subscribers that haven't seen that video. We've got a lot more friends here on Facebook and in the group that may not have ever heard of this unit. I brought it to the Stealth Shack with me last Sunday and showed it to the boys. Most everybody there had never even heard of it. So let me introduce you to the Garrett THD. So here's where it sits in my bag, right here. And this is it. The Garrett THD. Stands for Tactical Handheld Detector. Technically it's made for the world of security, as far as like the doorman at a club, you know, a bouncer at a club, somebody at the state fair checking IDs and scanning people for weapons. It's completely 100% waterproof, tough as hell. I mean, this rubber handle is just really tough, really solid and well built. Nothing's gonna hurt this thing. I've dropped it many times. I bought it used. The retail on something like this is usually, they've come down in the last couple of years since I bought this, but they can go from $150 to $180 a piece. It's pretty simple to operate. I'm going to hit this power button and you'll see the red and green light both light up. It'll give me a quick vibration in the handle, and then the red light will turn off and the green light will stay on, letting you know that it's on. Okay, that was it. And now you can see this thing is in operation. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'll get near something metal. I mean, I'm not really close to that at all, as you can see. And it's got the LED light right there, which tends to get clogged up with dirt if you use this in the hole like we all do, so you got to clean that out. Again, it wasn't made for metal detecting, more so it was made for security purposes. It does need to be in motion, the metal zipper here. It does need to be in motion to work, but very little motion will activate it. Okay, let's do a quick air test with this Garrett THD. And turn it on, and I'm going to swing. This is a titanium man's wedding band. I'm going to, because like I said, it needs motion, so we're going to see how close we can get. Right there. So about an inch, inch and a quarter. Side is even better. Almost 2 inches on the side here. So there you go. Quick and easy. So just another thing to consider if you're on the intergalactic backlog and you're waiting for your AT Pro Pointer to come in, go to eBay and check these out. Now they do make, there is a company out of China making knockoffs of this, and it's nowhere near as good. You have to actually almost be touching the object for it to work. The way you're going to be able to tell the difference between a knockoff and this is this says, obviously it says Garrett THD. It's got the patent number up here. It's got the THD here. Garrett metal detectors. It gives its ISO certification number, and it has a serial, it has a serial number right there at the bottom. If that label doesn't look like this, except for obviously the serial number is going to be different, then you may have an imposter. You may have a fake. So there it is, boys and girls. The Garrett Tactical Handheld Detector. Just another option for you. It does not make sound. There's no speaker. That was the thing that they eliminated to make it completely waterproof. I've seen videos where you can pull the circuit board out of here and put a buzzer on the board and stuff it back in, which you could probably barely hear anyway. But if it's in your hand vibrating, this is the ultimate stealth pinpointer. The Garrett THD Tactical Handheld Detector. Thanks for watching, everybody. Swing, beep, dig.
Tell by my belt buckle that I'm most definitely from.
Redemption. When is the